I got one more heartbreak in me, I reckon. One more heartbreak and that's it. What if I do this? I do this to the camera. I open it and it's my legs open. Say something. Say something.
Say so.
Say so.
Say so.
Say so.
John 3:16. He gave his only child so we can
Lie to what?
lie, and he died for our sins.
Ah, yes, that one. What are we doing today? What are we doing?
We're just out here, a little shoot at this nice cafe called Cafe 5 Ways. Cause you did you wrong 5 times. Boom shakalaka. Look, everything on. Nice shoes too.
I cheat.
Hey, whoa! Hey, what size you is?
My size.
Yeah.
And I got these for $20 at Green Hills.
Yeah, no one cares.
Look at this.
Not her, not her. Damn.
Bro said. Someone's a big fan of that haircut on Jan. I don't know who it is, but like, he's been acting weird lately. He's just come back to his old self. I don't know, like, what's up with that?
I'm just happy.
No, you're not.
So Andrew Tate's free, so how do you feel?
Yeah, we just heard that Top G's free. He's like in house arrest now, but we did it.
Do you love Andrew Tate?
I love him as a person.
Let's do some street interviews. All right. Hi, excuse me. What do you think about Andrew Tate?
Who's Andrew Tate?
Top G? You've never heard of him?
No, I've never heard of Andrew Tate.
Bald guy, went to jail for trafficking women, allegedly.
Allegedly.
Yes.
So it's not proven?
No.
Nah, that's okay.
But anyway, we're out here today. We just did a photo shoot. Just give you a day in the life of what we do.
Let's see.
Should we start with a car review? Is that the vibe?
Car? Yeah,
Yeah,
86.
so- This is my car.
For sale?
I got a Hyundai iLoad for sale for $28,500. Yeah, $28,500.
What year?
2017, 16.
Kilometers?
No, actually, we're about to go for a drive. That's my car.
Ah,
Is that your ride?
Yeah.
I'm your ride.
I'm about to start him up. No, yeah. Hey, look at this, look at this, look at this. I got a Toyota, bro. I can't even afford
Wait,
a
cheers,
Mercedes.
show us your keys. Do your keys now.
I didn't even have push to start, bro.
This guy.
It's okay. Just check the fade though.
But yeah, we're about to go drive somewhere and then take more photos, I guess. That's what we're on today. So
That's the type of timing you on.
yeah, shout out to all the people that watch my videos in the Philippines, because bro,
Say something racist.
look, say something racist. Turn the camera around to you.
Oh, it doesn't do that. This camera don't do that.
It does do that. Say something racist about the Philippines. Yeah. We're going to Vaucluse, which is where all the rich people live. We're trying to find a fafa for Jan. People that drive in Sydney.
Yeah, who drives in Sydney?
The one holding the camera? Oh my god.
Bro, have you seen this guy drive? The one holding the camera?
Go, face the camera
Me?
at us.
0 to 100 in 3 days.
I'm way better now, bro.
You just took over my lane. What's going on? This is why Jen cheats, bro.
What the fuck?
Apparently there's mad rich people here.
Double Bay.
Double Bay.
Double pay, double pay.
Wow.
That's why he was on the work.
Are you a rapper, bro? Say the N-word right now. Say it. You're a rapper, right?
You guys want to see that rich lady's house that I was acquainted with?
Yeah. Let's go to our ex's houses. Let's go.
Point Piper. Bro, that's so
That's where you piped
expensive,
her? What the hell?
Wait up, where should live at? The fact that they don't own just out, they own the whole street is crazy. Rich people are crazy. Bro, remember when Puerto Rico had that bad like that happened to them.
The storm.
They had a big storm. Uncle Donnie was like, we gotta help the people in Puerto Rico. And he said it again. Yeah, Puerto Rico. Damn. And he went over there and started throwing tissues like a basketball. And that was crazy.
Puerto Rico. I have a problem. Actually, like, I know it's on camera and everything, but I need to find a wife, guys. Someone help. I'm not talking to the I'm talking to you guys. Can actually someone help me?
Why?
Yeah. I'm sick of, you know, being a little, you know what I mean? I need to find a wife. But it's so hard. It's so hard because, like, she says she's a homebody, but everybody knows the Addy. Can't do it. Where should I go? Where should I go to find a good woman?
Go to a country where they appreciate stuff.
Damn.
You know what I mean? That's deep, but like I'm
Yeah.
telling you, bro. Like people in here don't appreciate stuff.
W manipulation. W manipulation.
Nah, like if you go overseas and they just appreciate stuff. Not even just the girls, but like everyone in general.
Have you heard of passport bros?
What's that? Is that when people from Western society, like dudes,
He's acting like he doesn't know.
bro, is that when Americans go to like Philippines or something and
Find a wife.
like like in the 60s and somehow they bag someone that's like 21?
Is that
Yeah.
what you call it?
That's so crazy.
Should I become
Shit,
a
you gotta
passport
get
bro?
left lane, G.
Too late now, gang.
Yeah. Fuck.
It's alright. It's about the journey, not the destination. It's about the
Says
friends.
who?
It's about the friends you make along the way.
Oh, we'll go to that the bridge, Parsley Bay. I'll take you guys there.
Ooh, spoiling us, huh?
Just take me home, please.
West Virginia. Oh shit. Hit him with an Ayrton Senna, G. Steering wheel through the helmet. left.
Thank God I'm Ayrton Senna, G.
Whoa.
Oh shit. Steering wheel through the helmet is crazy. Yo, rest in peace, the goat, man. Bah.
Ayrton Senna.
Oh shit. That's Max Verstappen reckless driving right there.
Who you reckon's the best driver out of all of us? Me or Jen?
Yo, that is crazy.
Bro, why would you signal right and then not go right? Hey,
Sydney buses.
sus Mariose. My driving
Oh,
records.
but really is practicing his F1 driving, eh?
Brake before the corner. You have to hit the apex.
Not shooting unless it's contested, bro. That's crazy. Bro, that's me though when it comes to like, you know what I'm talking about?
Well, when you got the double team on you.
I'm still shooting, bro. I don't give a
I prefer getting double teamed. What?
Yo.
What? Left or right?
Right, one way. Right.
My bad.
Bro, you know all the stress, he's still looking at your phone as well, bro.
I know.
You just feel it through his bum. He's like, right. How many times have you been here?
Bro, countless, eh? Like too many. I got one girl that lives.
Whoa!
What future say? My young hoe 22. If you don't keep it P, I'll f her mama. Yes, I don't get like how people listen to sad music when they're like going through a breakup and stuff.
You don't get it.
No, bro, no, I actually don't. Because you know who I listen to? Young Boy and Future.
Cap.
Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't it? Wait till you get over there.
Every day.
How many girls have you taken here?
None, bro. Literally just taking all the men down here.
What's the price for?
You've never taken me here. We are now reporting at Parsley Bay. There's been a pedophile who is on. What? He's described as someone wearing a shirt quite like mine, but white Converses. Still on the lookout. There's a big manhunt going on. We're looking for this. You know what I'm saying. think we see him. Crikey! Crikey! Look at the size of that one! He might death roll on
Start
me.
chasing Junior like a
Oh, no. That's how he bounces on the dick. Look at the size of that one. Watch out, he might death roll on you. Oh mate, this one's a beauty. Oh, you R.I.P. Steve Irwin though. For real, Steve Irwin's a god. I reckon the Philippines has cool views, but we probably have some of the best beaches over here.
Oh, sure.
Right? Like, we just don't go. Like, this is the first time I've been here, and it's just crazy, right? We actually do have some of the best beaches on
You're
earth.
very lucky in this country.
Luke doesn't want to get dark because apparently that's a sign of low income and.
Jesus. Why are you so focused?
We've never done a podcast like after the Philippines. What
We haven't done one this year.
What do you guys think of the Philippines? Update. What did you think of the Philippines?
But the Philippines was the best experience. Legit going to all the places where tourists don't normally go. It's like people are kind of, I guess they were surprised too, or like curious. Bro, shout out to Tristan's family, Jenru's family, Tristan and Jenru, individuals themselves. It was unbelievable.
What about you, bro?
Is
No. What was it like going back to the town where you had your first kiss?
Don't know. It's alright.
The first kiss? Oh.
Will that last forever? Bro, it was such an experience, like seeing you, like going back to home with all your family and like seeing you in different light. Same with you, Tris, as well.
No.
I'm also like going to your old houses and stuff.
Because we live like this, like. Yeah. If you think about it, bro, we're pretty lucky we live in Sydney. Like.
Hey, like
Pretty good, eh?
your family, like so grateful. I guess that must feel like a mass Filipino culture, bro. But like, both your families are so grateful for like just everything,
Being
eh?
there. Yeah.
Littlest things. Just having like people over from another country, like your family put on like a whole banquet.
Yeah.
Tristan's family like kept someone they've never met before in their grandma's house. Got to experience ghosts and stuff.
Yeah, he saw a
That's
ghost.
That's everything.
Oh, he saw a ghost, bro.
Who?
Luke. What was her name again? What was your ex's name again?
I'll do this shit all again. Get ringworm, share one towel. We shared one towel between like 4 people. Slept in the same bed together. One night, most nights, on the floor,
That was an experience.
on the Benig.
But what? But what did you call it? But N-word. I have a girlfriend, bro, but you know, she goes to another school. You would know.
Huh?
I have a girlfriend, but she goes to another school. You wouldn't know her. I really do need to find a wife, though.
Jesus Christ.
I don't even want a girlfriend. I want a wife. Should we do a dating show?
Oh, this is sick.
We should do a YouTube dating show.
This guy.
Shit, what the fuck?
What?
What?
Goddamn lizard. Bro, I thought it was a snake and my fist went up. Like, I'm gonna fight.
Bad little lizard friend. How did you see that, bro?
What?
He's from Bohol.
Oh, wow. You're telling me he saw the lizard because he's from Bohol, which means he's a jungle Asian?
That is quite the conclusion. That is quite the conclusion.
It's a big ass lizard. What the hell?
A lot of freaks come out, huh? Moving around.
You can eat that, eh?
There you go again with your Bohol shit. What do you mean you can eat that? It's endangered.
I was endangered. Hello, y'all guys like me.
Whoa. It's looking like it's about to chase us. Oh, shit.
yo, Ibit.
Do you reckon I can try and fight it?
Ooh, it's fake though, like this.
What's he eating? If I hit you with a 1-2, I'm in the wrong. I think the lizard wants to fight.
Bro, if you kick that right now. If you kick that right now, you can't do it. Right, so it's not gonna climb off this cliff.
I like animals. I'm not gonna kick the lizard.
I'm just saying, if you kick that right now.
Look.
Bag up! Bag up, man!
Yeah, bag up, man.
If you hit it on the head right now, it'll die and cook it.
Are you hungry? You're not even fasting. Oh, my bad. Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
Just hit like. Why is it coming?
I got one more heartbreak in me, I reckon. One more heartbreak and that's it. Better be a good one.
Set that as the leading clip. I got one more in me, coach.
Hey, coach. I got one more in me.
What were you, Jen?
Huh? No, I don't be dating. Just
Can't fool me. I'm familiar with your game.
remember the female version of the fuck shit you do?
Nope.
No. What? Treat them like a queen? Yeah, that's what I do. I've never met that.
I got that, bro.
I need help. I need help because I have such a big heart.
Who let bro cook?
Fire emoji.
Like, damn, this shit ass.
This shit underground. Keep it that way.
It's a hidden gem. Keep it hidden. Let's expose each other. He cheats.
Wow, my god, bro, so much.
I've never cheated.
He lies.
Believe it or not. Believe it or
He's
not.
a cheater and a liar. Yeah, she said she was gonna give me the world, but there were other planets, you know.
I thought she cooked and she said, "Were you silenced or were you silenced?"
Alright, it's been a day in Sydney, what we do. I'm acting like this is what we do every day, but like I haven't seen these guys since like the Philippines. Because they hate me. They went to dinner without me, can you imagine?
He invited me.
But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I got some ideas, so we're gonna have plenty of content this year. Love you guys.
It's a parade inside my
What if I do
city.
this? I do this to the camera. I open it and it's my legs open.